Hello everyone, and welcome to Life in English podcast.
Yes, welcome. I'm Jen, and I'm so excited to be here today.
And I'm Kevin. It's always a pleasure to talk with you all.
So, Kevin, what's our topic for this episode?
Well, today we're going to talk about something very common but very important.
Oh, I know. Is it about food or travel?
Haha, not exactly. We're talking about the weather and different seasons.
Ah, the weather. That's perfect. Everyone talks about the weather, right?
Exactly. It's a great way to start conversations in English.
So, let's begin with the basics. What are the seasons?
Good question. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Yes, and in some places, people say fall instead of autumn.
That's right. In American English, fall is common.
Now, for weather words. Can you give us some examples?
Sure. For example, when it's sunny, the sun is shining.
And when it's raining. Simple, right?
Yes. Other words: cloudy, windy, snowy, foggy.
What about hot and cold?
Oh, definitely. Hot means high temperature, like in summer.
And cold means low temperature, like in winter.
We also have warm and cool for in-between temperatures.
So, if I say it's warm today, what does that mean?
It means the temperature is pleasant, not too hot, not too cold.
Got it? Now, let's talk about each season in detail.
Okay, starting with spring. Spring is usually mild and rainy.
Yes, flowers bloom in spring. It's very beautiful.
Common weather in spring: sunny days, but sometimes rainy.
And people often say April showers bring May flowers.
That's a nice saying. It means rain in April helps flowers grow in May.
Next, summer. Summer is hot and sunny.
Right. In summer we go to the beach, have picnics, and enjoy the sun.
But sometimes it's too hot, and we need to stay inside.
Haha, yes. I remember last summer, it was so hot that I stayed in air conditioning all day.
Me too. And then autumn, or fall, the weather gets cooler.
Autumn is my favorite. The leaves change color to red, orange, and yellow.
It's also windy sometimes. Perfect for flying kites.
And winter. Winter is cold and snowy in many places.
In winter, we wear coats, scarves, and gloves to stay warm.
Some people love winter because of Christmas and snow sports.
But others don't like it because it's too cold and dark.
That's true. Now, let's practice some sentences.
Good idea. How about how's the weather today?
Yes, that's a common question. You can answer, it's sunny or it's raining.
Or, it's a beautiful day if it's nice.
Another useful phrase: what's the temperature?
And you can say it's 20 degrees Celsius, or it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right. In the US, people use Fahrenheit, but in many other places, Celsius.
So listeners, pay attention to that.
Now, let's move to main concept 2. We'll dive deeper into weather talk.
Yes. Like how weather affects our plans and moods.
Exactly. For example, if it rains, you might cancel a picnic.
Or if it's sunny, you decide to go for a walk.
Weather can also be unpredictable. Sometimes, it changes quickly.
Oh, I have a story about that. Once, I planned a beach day, but it started storming.
Ha ha ha, that happened to me too. I was all ready with my sunscreen, and then, rain.
So frustrating. But we can talk about weather forecasts to prepare.
Yes, forecasts tell us what weather to expect.
Phrases like, it's going to rain tomorrow, or, it will be sunny this weekend.
And we use will for predictions. For example, I think it will snow.
Also, we can describe seasons with adjectives. Like, spring is refreshing.
Summer is blazing hot sometimes, haha.
Autumn is cozy and colorful.
Winter is freezing but fun if you like snow.
Now, let's share some personal anecdotes. Kevin, what's your favorite weather?
I love a cool, sunny autumn day. Perfect for hiking.
Nice. I prefer warm summer evenings. Great for barbecues.
But remember, in summer, it can be too hot. I once got a sunburn at a picnic.
Ouch. That's painful. Always wear sunscreen, listeners.
Another thing, different countries have different weather patterns.
Yes, in some places it's tropical, so it's hot and humid all year.
And in others, like near the poles, it's cold most of the time.
So, when you travel, check the weather for your destination.
Good tip. Now let's do a model dialogue to practice.
Okay, we'll
I'll start. Hi Jen, how are you today?
Hi Kevin. I'm good, thanks. The weather is nice, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Perfect for a picnic.
A picnic? That sounds fun. When should we go?
How about this Saturday? The forecast says it will be sunny.
Great idea. But what if it rains? We need a backup plan.
Good point. If it rains, we can go to a cafe instead.
Okay, deal.
So, Saturday picnic, weather permitting.
Yes, and don't forget to bring some snacks and drinks.
I'll bring sandwiches and fruit. What about you?
I'll bring drinks and a blanket. Oh, and maybe a frisbee.
Haha, nice. I hope it stays sunny.
Me too. So, that's our model dialogue. Simple and practical.
Now, let's review some key tips and phrases.
First, remember the basic weather words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy.
And temperature words: hot, warm, cool, cold.
Second, use simple sentences like, it is sunny or the weather is nice.
Third, ask questions. How's the weather? Or, what's the temperature?
Fourth, talk about seasons. I like spring because it's mild.
Fifth, use will for future weather. It will rain tomorrow.
Also, practice pronunciation. For example, weather and weather sound similar.
But weather is about climate, and weather is for choices.
Good point. Listeners, repeat after us. Weather, weather.
You can also listen to weather reports in English to improve.
Yes, watch English news or use apps with English settings.
Now for our conclusion. We've covered a lot today.
Yes, talking about weather and seasons is essential for daily conversation.
Before we go, we have a fun question for all of you.
Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite season and why? Try to answer in English.
Yes, share your thoughts. We love hearing from you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Life in English podcast.
Thank you for listening. Stay warm, stay cool, and talk about the weather.
Bye everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye,